I'll lead an effective strategy to mobilize true international effort to pressure.
Lovely, how are you? Great. Hey, everyone, I'm Joe Biden's husband.
Hey, look at it. So I learned about roaches. I learned about kids jumping on my lap. And I've loved kids jumping on my lap.
What did he just say? Check the prompter.
The prompter's fine. Read the copy, please. The copy's good. Just read it.
America is a nation that can be defined in a single word. I was in the foothills of the Himalayas with Xi Jinping, traveling with him. I guess we traveled 17,000 miles when I was vice president. I don't know that for a fact. And bridges. So what does the human cause?
Barack and I think it's a right for people to have bad